How do I get this thing functioning better? Because as soon as we know how to get this thing functioning better, everything transforms. What we create, whether it's in our personal life, in our business life, in our relationships, in our connection with source, everything changes. Going through those transitions, I've just learned that there's no other way. So as I went into kind of shock, because obviously I went through something that shocked the whole system, because something broke, I believe it's all divinely guided, all of it. And I'm like, already I've got some messages that when I've been sat still, and usually I've been around doing stuff, that bam, I've just gone and received something else. And I'm like, wow, would I have received that if I was just like carrying on my normal busy life? Because all getting real busy. We want to be in flow, but we want to make sure that what we're doing is absolutely serving at the highest levels, because in that way, the whole game changes. But sometimes we've got to get rid of stuff. We've got to start new stuff. We've got to reignite certain stuff that we might have had in the past, or we've got to let go of it.